Hey guys, what's up? Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna work on this 2018 Nissan Altima. It's basically the same thing from 2009, come all the way up to 2018 or 19. So today we're gonna change our switch, and the switch we're gonna change is for the window switch. So we're gonna change the window switch so it goes down. This one goes down and up, but there's, I think it's this one. So as you can see, this one is sticking. So the back doesn't have automatic window, but if you pull it up, it stick until it go away. And the reason why it stick is because the switch is broken. But sometimes your switch might have like grease or candy, but this one is broken. I already checked it already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the switch. Alright, so the tool we're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. I have one right here, and I will leave a link in the description for the tools that we use. So far it's a flathead screwdriver right here. So let's go ahead, get in this crack right here and pry it up. Once that is up, you just work it around, pry the rest of it up, and it will come up like this. You can go ahead and unplug the switch by squeezing this right here. So we're going to squeeze this right here and pull on the switch like that. So this is what the switch look like. Go ahead and pull this like this. So basically this lock into the switch right here. So let me go ahead and get the part number, and it will be the same to change the two back switch, so whether left or right. And I think so it's probably the front probably a little different, but it's not much different. So your part number is going to sit right here. So 254113TA3A. So let's go ahead and take the parts out the package. And this is a simple job. So, and it will go on each side, so left or right, it doesn't matter. Go ahead, get your tools, get your bezel, and go ahead and install it like this. So it can only go in one way. If you try to put it this way, it won't. So if you try to put it the wrong way, it won't go in. So you don't have to worry about putting it wrong. So there you go. Once that is set, you can go ahead and try it. The button is not sticking. You can go ahead and just put this back on. And then we can go ahead and try it. So it worked down okay, up okay. So we'll just go ahead, line up all the clips in the hole, and just press it down like this. And that's it, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, help me grow. Peace out, guys. See you next time. Link will be in the description where you can get the screwdriver we use. And also this screwdriver is as you can see, a flathead screwdriver. So that's it, guys. Peace out. See you next time.